Hi friends, Barry Mandel, President of Discovery Green, coming to you live from the park on this glorious Houston day. So much of our park is green and vibrant right now, and sadly, much of it isn't. February's storm was strong. It was strong and it lasted a very long time, and the toll it's taken on the park is very evident. Yet the good news is help is on its way. One of the park's angels, one of our donors, has issued the park a matching challenge grant, whereby all donations given between now and April the 30th will be matched dollar for dollar up to $10,000. This challenge grant is going to go a huge way in helping us re-green Discovery Green, and we need your help. Once again, any donation given between now and April the 30th will help us rebuild, replant, and resume the green at Discovery Green. We hope we can count on you.